Hi everyone, my name is Minkang. I'm 8 years old. I come from Taiwan City, and now I'm going to review this fish. This fish is from Thương Hiền, and this is roasted fish. Thương Hiền is a restaurant near my house in Đông Sơn, Thanh Hoa, in province. So here's some of the dipping sauces. This is some soy sauce, garlic, and chili. With this is barbecue sauce. This is cut pieces of intestine with a bunch of insides with it. This is lettuce, and this is some more food. So this is some of the vegetables. This is lettuce leaf. Oh, cabbage leaf. This is the fish. Look at that piece of roasted skin, everybody. This here. So this is a humongous leaf here. So this is how I do it. First I
Put it inside.
put a piece of fish in one corner. Then I just overlap it until it reaches the stem. Then I will dip in. First is the barbecue sauce. All of you know that barbecue sauce has a very strong savory flavor than a light spicy flavor, so I'm going to taste it today. That flavor, it is so interesting. For texture, it's super soft with a bit chewy for the cabbage. The sauce is a bit spicy. It's also sweet, but for the taste of the fish, it's legendary. It combines almost all of the types of flavors: savory, salty, sweet, spicy, sour, all mixed together turn into this piece. Now I'm going to try the sauce. This other sauce is soy sauce, or I could say fish sauce, with chili and other toppings. I'm going to put it in. Look at this. Okay, so I think that is absolutely one of the most interesting types of fish. Like lettuce, it's just like last time. This chewy fish, still like last time too. But the sauce, it's absolutely amazing. First, the sauce has a very, very strong savory taste and also super strong spicy taste for the garlic and the chili. Bonus, this is a bonus stack So this
Focus.
makes the flavor less spicy. So now we will taste intestines. Give my baby brother one piece.
Drip, drip. Okay.
Now I'm going to taste one too. First, I'm going to eat it without nothing.
Drip the sauce.
Very normal. This is normal meat. Going to dip with barbecue sauce.
So delicious.
I can believe it. That is so tasty. Em chấm cái gì? Em chấm cái gì? It is so tasty. I need to know one thing. This has a very light savory sauce, a heavy sweet sauce with then another light spice sauce. That's absolutely amazing. Now I'm going to dip with the fish sauce, chili, and garlic.
Rating and the comment. Rating.
That is pretty good for something like this. The taste is just like it explodes in your mouth. Now I'm going to rate this. I'm going to rate this a 10 out of 10, and my comment for this is the food is absolutely great, and I appreciate this store for giving me an entire set of food. That's all today. See you later.